3 days in Istanbul, your hair transplant. €1,590, all-inclusive. Day 1. Arrival. Transfer to Estethica. Blood analysis. Hair analysis. Planning with the specialist. Hotel. Day 2. Painless anesthesia. Shaving. Hairline marking. Surgery begins. Sapphire FUE or Multi-Implanter DHI. The patented Estethica golden mask. Antibiotics. Reduces swelling. Fast healing. Day 3. Laser therapy. PRP treatment. Hair washing with golden mask. Certificate. Care kit. Gift. Transfer. Return flight with new hair. 3 days. New life. €1,590. BIOHACTOUR.com. Scan QR code. WhatsApp English support. BIOHACTOUR Istanbul.